Hello guys, welcome back. So it was my sister's birthday and I decided to make this
Happy
debonnair cake for her because
birthday.
it's Ramadan. So for the 22, I started by writing this dua. I saw this dua on TikTok and I really liked it, so I just had to write it down. So I'm writing it down because I'm going to be making use of it. I already use it for doing the hard job today. So I'm just writing it down to make it much more easier for me. Also, I really do not want to show my face for this vlog, but at some point I had to, so this is just like a weekend vlog for you. I hope you guys love the vlog. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. If you are new here, welcome, and also to my returning subscriber, thank you always for always coming back. And yeah, that was that. Then the next thing I did was to reset my phone. And you might be wondering why I'm making use of my phone. It's because I actually can't touch the cover hand for now. So that is why I'm making use of my phone for now. And I don't really like it, but I don't have any choice for now. So enjoying. So guys, for iftar day 22, I decided to prepare a local delicacy which I actually like. I'm going to call it local because I made use of palm oil. I just love this palm oil rice. So I added ego to it and I made rice and things actually. I already parboiled the rice before, so here it is. I'm done preparing it and yeah, enjoying the sha.
Hello guys, it's Ramadan day 23. So I'm going to be starting my day here. I'm going to be creating content. So guys, I create content ahead of time in order for me to have something to post in the future in case of incasity. So I'm just going to be showing you guys a little sneak peek. It's not that I'm going to be showing you everything and I'm going to show you the results, but I won't show you the process. Yeah, like that, if you understand. You're not going to see what I'm doing and you're going to see what I'm doing at the same time, because I won't be uploading the video now. There's a possibility I'll be uploading it by next week though, so stay tuned. Don't forget to like my video, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel. Also turn on your post notification bell so you're going to know when next I upload my video. Let's get. So guys, I'm finally done with the video I was making and this is the result. I told you guys I was going to show you the result, so here's the result. I'm going to be uploading the video by next week inshallah, so you guys are going to see it. I made these nails out of this paper tape. So if you're interested, kindly like this video, um comment down below, subscribe to my page, and also turn on your post notification bell so you're going to know when I upload any video, especially this one too. You wouldn't want to miss it. See now, it's hard, it's strong, it's not as if it's something that's going to bend. Well, I hope you like this video, and I think the next thing I want to do now is I want to take my bait. After that, I'm going to recite my Quran, and from there maybe cooking. So guys, I just decided to give you guys a closer look of how the nail is looking like. Here I didn't apply any cutters or whatever. And also, before you guys come for me that I'm fixing nails during Ramadan or while fasting, I won't be able to pray, and I'm not fasting. So, and I did this in a way where I'm going to be able to remove it now. I'm not doing much, so I'm going to be removing it now. I just created the content for people to know how to make it. So guys, so this is a closer look after I've painted it. This is how it's looking like. Don't forget to, it's looking really good.
So guys, I hope you enjoyed watching this vlog. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Bye.